Hello, this is Lisa Jane Jennings again, and I am showing you the last four models of the brain for class. And this first one is of the basal ganglia, and it's a component of the motor system, so it helps control a lot of our motor skills. There's the caudate nucleus is the top level, then you got the putamen, and I did the globus pallidus, the internal and the external. Whoops, my label came off. Globus pallidus. Then we move on to the limbic system, which is really important for the interpretation and the memory of emotions. It's important for learning and memory and emotions and that whole dynamic. And so this is the hippocampus, and we have the amygdala. The hippocampus specifically is really important for the creation of memories. Your actual memories are in your cerebral cortex, but the creation of memories happens with the hippocampus. So you got the amygdala, important for emotions, and the mammillary bodies, and the fornix at the top. And so now we're moving on to the thalamus. And I situated the thalamus, I couldn't sit it straight up. So this is basically it going to the side. I couldn't figure out how to situate it sitting straight up like it would in a normal brain. But this piece down here is the pituitary gland, and that deals with your endocrine system. And the middle piece as you can see, two lobes to it, is your hypothalamus, and it helps to organize the automatic nervous system. And the top piece is your thalamus. And I even included between the two lobes of the thalamus the massa intermedia, which helps in the relay of sensory information. And so that's that entire model. The next model is the final model is going to be, again, I had to situate it on its side because I couldn't sit it straight up. This is your cerebellum and your pons. So it's situated on the side. These two are the two lobes of the cerebellum, situated on your spinal cord at the top. This would be the top of your spinal cord, and so this would be the remainder of it. So the cerebellum has to do a lot with movement, and the pons, as you can see, I put it this way, is the two lobes of the pons, and it has to do with being able to go to sleep, arousal, and your relay station to the cerebellum. To the cerebral cortex. To the cerebellum. So this is the pons and the cerebellum, which together has a lot to do with movement, sleep, arousal. So to review, you got your pons cerebellum, got your basal ganglia, motor skills. You got your hypothalamus, which again is laying on its side, totally not like how would be in the brain. In the brain, it would be standing straight up, kind of like this. And then your limbic system, which is a very internal piece, a lot to do with emotions and the memory of emotionally laden information. All right, thank you very much. I look forward to more fun. Bye-bye. Again, this is Lisa Jane Jennings.